Hello po, good day. Sa Ermita po, meron kaming 7 na na-post last week. Una po dito is yung ating medal na which is may nag-avail po na bulk order. And then yung ating customized brush cup with embroidery. Effective din po siya since may nag-avail po. And itong ating bamboo plush na which is may mga nag-inquire po. And yung ating ID list, effective din po siya since may mga nag-avail po. Ito ating vacuum blast na 800 ml, effective din po siya since may nakuha tayong 4 samples para sa bulk order. And then yung ating customized tote bags na with names and Barkada shirt po na buy 10 get 1 free, and beer mug, and then yung ating cover photo is updated na rin po, and then yung ating travel mug na which is effective po buy 10 get 1 free since may mga nag-avail po ng rating. Yan lang po, thank you.